In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Netlify Forms. Netlify Forms is a simple way to collect submissions from a form on your website without needing to build your own backend. If you already have a static site, this can save a lot of time and make form handling much easier. To begin, prepare your HTML form. This is the foundation of the whole setup, so make sure your form is already built into your website and ready to be deployed. Your form should include the fields you want visitors to fill out, such as a name, email address, message, or any other information you need. The key idea here is that Netlify detects forms from your site's HTML during deployment, so your form needs to be present in the project before you publish it. Once your form is ready, push your project to a Git provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. This step is important because Netlify works smoothly with repositories hosted on these platforms. Uploading your project ensures that your code is stored remotely and can be connected directly to Netlify for deployment. If you make future changes to your form, you can simply push updates to the same repository. After that, connect your repository to Netlify. And this is the step where Netlify links to your project files and prepares to build and publish your site. During this connection process, Netlify will use your repository as the source for deployments, which is what allows it to scan your site and detect the form automatically. Next, log into your Netlify dashboard. This is where you manage your sites, deployments, and form submissions. If you have more than one project in your account, the dashboard is also where you'll choose the one you want to work with. From there, select your site. Open the specific website that contains the HTML form you prepared earlier. It's important to make sure you're looking at the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites inside Netlify. Finally, click on the Forms tab to see your collected data. This is where Netlify stores the submissions it captures from your website visitors. Once your site has been deployed and your form is detected correctly, any new entries should begin appearing here. This area allows you to review the information submitted through your form and confirm that everything is working as expected. That's how to use Netlify Forms. As a quick tip, if you don't see your form submissions right away, double check that your form was included in the deployed version of the site and that the correct site is connected in Netlify. With that in place, you'll have a clean and efficient way to collect form data directly from your website.